G'day cocktail lovers, I'm doing a TikTok challenge. That's what the kids like, yeah? A friend told me about this, said I should try it. This guy's very popular on TikTok and YouTube, Ryan Doka. He puts everything in a jar. He tends to put some sort of alcohol and some foodish substance in a jar, leave it for a week and see what happens. Now recently he did one with absinthe and peaches, and to his own surprise he declared that basically the best thing he's ever done. Gave it 14 out of 10. And my friend Daniel, who knows I am partial to absinthe, said I should try it. So I'm going to try it, keeping it fairly simple. Just going to use this little thing of peaches and about 100 mils of my absinthe, because I don't want to lose a lot of it if this turns out to be something I don't like, because this is fairly expensive. Ryan used 70% ABV. This is 80% and a rather lovely bright blue. I just realized, because I want to chroma key my background, that might make this invisible too. If it's invisible, it's bright blue. So keeping it simple, I'm going to put the peaches in a container and then 100 mils of absinthe, and we'll come back in a week and give it a taste. Here we are a week later. I did get the comment, this looks like the virus vial in Resident Evil, and I tend to agree. First, I'll try and spear a bit of the peach to taste it. I suspect this is going to work against me, and I should just get a spoon. I'm going to taste a bit of the peach that's been soaking in absinthe, and I'm going to use a spoon to get some out, because I would just be making my life difficult if I tried to skewer one, and I'm not a fool, so I won't do that. Okay, tasting the peach. Now, my advanced thought is this is probably not going to taste good, because I've put fruit in spirits before, and what tends to happen is the fruit absorbs a bunch of nastiness from the spirit. Doesn't taste good. Spirit absorbs niceness from the fruit, but we'll see. That's not great. Oh, that is not, oh my God. That just comes at you and comes at you with the licorice of the absinthe. Oh, I'm going to have to rinse my mouth out with water. Oh, that is pretty intense. Definitely not a fan of the peaches, but of the absinthe. What is that actually like? That is quite pleasant. I swear the peaches have absorbed the harsh licorice, and the absinthe is much milder. It's magic! I guess I should try and make a drink out of it now, a cocktail as it were. Quick side by side of the colour, very big change. The original absinthe, very bright blue, with the peaches, sort of almost a turquoise to greenish colour. Still looks pretty good though, and now I'm going to make a cocktail. This cocktail is modelled on a recipe I found called the Weeping Jesus, that called for 1 ounce of absinthe and 1 ounce of peach schnapps. So for my purposes here, I'm just going to do 2 ounces of my peach absinthe, then 1 ounce of grenadine, and we're doing that over ice, and then we're just going to pour some soda, or you might prefer lemonade, over the top of that to fill the glass. That's honestly not a great colour. It might look better if you had a green absinthe as opposed to my blue. It's kind of purplish crimson and also kind of looks muddy, but the big question is, what does it taste like? Wow, that is actually really quite tasty. There's a really light licorice note comes in on the end, like the peach have like thrown themselves on the landmine that is the licorice flavour of the absinthe. So there's just a really subtle amount coming through. I was really concerned about the whole 1 ounce of grenadine. That seemed like too much, but with the soda, it's fine. This is actually pretty good. I would not rave about peach absinthe to the degree that the dude on TikTok did, but it's not bad at all. And this I like. So that's my TikTok challenge, I guess. Am I down with the kids now? If not, I'm just going to down this, which is probably just horrifyingly potent. And this will be the last thing I remember for the evening. Cheers.